Here I've got OnePlus 7 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down a bit and pick security and lock screen. And now you will notice fingerprint, so it's under device security. Click on fingerprint, and now as you can see, here will be the sensor. If you would like to add the fingerprint, just click on next. And now you have to set some backup to your screen lock, so it can be pattern, pin code or the password. So let me pick pin code, and it must have at least 4 digits. Let me pick 1991, next 1991 to confirm. And finally decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, if you would like to hide sensitive content, or maybe you won't see notifications at all. Let me pick the third option and then click on done. And now you have to place your finger into this fingerprint, into the sensor, so just keep tapping until the fingerprint is fully added. Tap on next and the finish touches. So just press and make your finger cover the fingerprint. Just a few times more. And that's it. Now simply tap on done. And from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint. So that's it. This is how you can set up the fingerprint. Then if you would like to remove it, simply open the settings one more time, go to security and lock screen, fingerprint. Now enter the pin code that you set up as the backup. And now you can remove it by tapping on the bin icon and confirm by tapping on yes, remove. So that's it. This is how you can set fingerprint on your OnePlus 7 Pro. Enjoy it, protect your screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.